Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the day 3 of the program. And I know you are super excited for this module because so far what we have been learning is more about how to fine tune your approach. But now what we're going to be learning is about skyrocketing your approach. Yes, I am talking about the video resume making formula, which will make you stand completely apart from the crowd. This is a very critical and very important module, and hence I have broken it into multiple mini modules to ensure that you get it 100% right. So you got to be really, really focused on this module because this has the power to get you your interview scheduled in a very, very rapid manner. So in this video, we will talk just about the concept of video resume, but this is extremely important. Only then you will be able to understand the value of video resume and how to actually create your own video resume. So first thing is that research, and in fact many of the job portals are now claiming that video resume has as much as 60% higher chances of conversion. I was recently reviewing some of the online job portals, and I realized that there are many postings which are coming on these job portals wherein video resume is mandatory. If you don't have video resume, you can't apply even to those job postings. So guys, I'm telling you right now, it's a skyrocket approach, but over a period of time, this will become by default expectation from anybody who is applying for a job. But I want you to become the trendsetter by the time this becomes a default approach. So one, it has very high conversion ratios. Second, makes you stand completely apart from rest of the crowd. Imagine you getting 200 resumes of traditional approach and one video resume. By default you would be inclined to see the video resume. Any which ways, these days people are more keen to go through videos rather than reading something, so it makes your approach completely unique. Third key thing is it is highly engaging. It's not a paper or it's not a PDF which somebody is reading. People gets to understand your complete profile after seeing your video resume, your confidence level, your posture, your body language, the way you are communicating. Right, communication skills in itself is a very, very high end skill which is required in almost all kind of jobs these days. People get to know that. So any initial inhibitions which people have, that whether I should call this person for interview, whether I should do a Skype call for interview or not, those inhibitions gets eliminated because people get to see your complete personality. Okay, and the fourth thing is this video resume is a hook. It's a very, very positive hook. If it is done in the right manner, a 2-minute video resume has the power to get you an interview scheduled. So that's on the overall approach of video resume. Before you move on to next module wherein we talk about the master and the detailed templates of how to create your video resume, I have a quick question for you, and I want you guys to think through it and put it in the comment box as your response, whatever be your response, because this is highly critical. My question for you is, what is the top most skill you require to create a video resume? I repeat, what is the top most skill you require to create a video resume? Put your responses in the comment section below. I want you to think through this question, and I'll tell you the importance of this in the next module. Once you have put in your comment, you can move on to the next module. Thank you. I'll see you in the next module. Thanks a lot.